The Samsung Odyssey G65B. It's a BA panel. We are playing Ghost of Tsushima with HDR. These are my settings. Playing with my PlayStation 5. Here my settings is 60 FPS, HDR on, BRR on. The color of this monitor, the vibrancy is wow. The black level is good. It's a VA panel. See at the reflection of the sun. A beautiful display. Just gonna roam and walking here to explore the view. So that's it, guys. Samsung Odyssey G65B PE panel, 240 Hz refresh rate.